So, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install OpenCV in Python Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. So open command prompt and first we check we have Python installed. It's spell mistake. Python, yeah. So we have Python installed. Let's try to import OpenCV for CV2. So it says no module name CV2. So let's try to exit and let's install. So how we install OpenCV in Windows? Pip install OpenCV Python and press enter. It will take a little time according to your internet speed. So we have successfully installed OpenCV. Let's try to import that and check Python import CV2. Enter. So you can see guys, we have successfully installed OpenCV in our Windows 10 Python machine. Good luck guys.